we will make him climb as-saqar. Saqar is actually one of the names of hellfire. Saqar here implies that his head is going to be boiling. And he's climbing up in this intense heat. We're going to throw him into it. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا سَقَرْ. What will give you any clue what saqar really is? لَا تُبْقِي. It doesn't leave behind. It's relentless. It doesn't let you survive. وَلَا تَذَرْ. It doesn't leave you alone. وَلَوَّاحَةٌ لِلْبَشَرِ. Lawaha from lawh. Lawh means a chalkboard or a board, which is black. It turns black the faces. مُحْرَقَةٌ. Burns them up. لِلْبَشَرِ. For all the skins of the people. عَلَيْهَا تِسْعَةَ عَشَرٍ. On this saqar there are 19 guardians. 19 guardians over hellfire. Allah mentions this 19 guardians and the Quraysh thought it was hilarious. So 19? It's not that many. It's less than 20. It's just the teens. I could take 10 myself. What about you? You can handle 9, right? We got this. That was the joke they had among themselves. And so Allah reveals this next ayah. Yeah, they're not 19 like you think 19. وَمَا جَعَلْنَا أَصْحَابَ النَّارِ إِلَّا مَلَائِكَةً. We didn't install on top of the people of hellfire anything but angels. They're not 19 people. They're 19 angels. 19, you need one angel to destroy an entire town. There are 19 angels guarding hellfire. وَمَا جَعَلْنَا عِدَّتَهُمْ. And we didn't put their number there إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا. Except as a trial, a test, a difficult test for that matter, for those who disbelieve. And here's the other reason we told you about the number 19. لِيَسْتَيْقِنَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابِ. So people of the book, those who were given the book before, so they may come to conviction. If they had doubts about this book, this revelation, then if they dig in their own texts and their own revelations, they'll find 19 guardians of hellfire in the most scholarly and most classified of their texts, and they will come to believe that this man had no access to that knowledge, and they'll come to Iman. I'm going to talk to the rabbi about this one. لِيَسْتَيْقِنَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابِ. And they'll say, we have no such thing probably.